If you're anything like us, you've been counting down the days for news about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Rumour has it that this highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro drone could take off in the sky as early as summer 2025. From leaked specs to whispered upgrades, could DJI be gearing up to bring us something truly next level? Keep watching. DJI is reportedly developing new motors featuring integrated vents. These motors aim to improve cooling efficiency and overall performance while adhering to the critical sub-249-gram weight limit. Lightweight drones inherently face challenges when contending with strong winds. Rumours indicate that the Mini 5 Pro may feature a new aerodynamic frame and stronger motors, improving its stability in winds. It's suggested that its wind speed tolerance could rise from 10.7 meters per second in the Mini 4 Pro to 12 meters per second. However, incorporating these features while keeping within the 250-gram limit poses a challenge for DJI. This weight threshold is crucial, as it exempts the Mini 5 Pro from registration requirements in many countries, including the US, expanding its accessibility to a wider user base. Balanced weight, build quality and performance will be key engineering hurdles for DJI to overcome. The camera system has always been a defining feature of drones. The Mini 4 Pro featured a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 48 megapixel stills with a maximum video resolution of 4K at 60 FPS. However, the Mini 5 Pro could take things further with a larger 1-inch sensor. This upgrade could improve dynamic range and reduce noise, aiding low-light performance. On the video side, rumours suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could break past the current limit. It could offer 4K video recording at frame rates of up to 100 FPS, allowing for smoother slow-motion footage. Even more exciting is the possibility of a 6K video recording option. This move targets professionals by improving video quality and post-production flexibility. The Mini 4 Pro already offers an impressive 34 minutes of flight time, which is above average for drones in its category. With the Mini 5 Pro, rumours point to an increase in flight time, possibly extending up to 40 minutes. Longer flight time offers pilots more chances to capture shots or explore. Speed and agility will also likely see a boost. The Mini 4 Pro reaches a maximum speed of 16 meters per second, but the Mini 5 Pro is expected to reach speeds of up to 18 meters per second. The Mini 5 Pro's increased top speed enhances responsiveness, which is crucial for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. DJI's software ecosystem, including the DJI Fly app, has always been one of the strengths of the Mini series. DJI will enhance the Mini 5 Pro with new software features for editing, flight planning, and third-party app integration while keeping it user-friendly. The possible addition of LIDAR technology fuels the rumours about the Mini 5 Pro. This advanced feature has typically been found only in premium models such as the DJI Air 3S, so its expected presence in a compact drone is inspiring. LIDAR, which stands for Light Detection and Ranging, provides improved obstacle detection and mapping abilities, potentially enhancing flight safety and navigation significantly. Images that have leaked indicate that the Mini 5 Pro might incorporate extra sensors that look like LIDAR units, thoughtfully positioned among the existing obstacle avoidance sensors. One of the most exciting rumours surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is the expected upgrade to its obstacle avoidance system. Leaks indicate that the new model will feature omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing comprehensive 360-degree awareness of its environment. This advanced system is anticipated to enhance safety and accessibility when flying in complex settings, making it an ideal choice even for novice pilots. In addition, DJI is expected to improve its intelligent flight modes. The Mini 4 Pro already includes Active Track, Quick Shots and Master Shots, which are automatic flight patterns that help users capture complex shots with minimal input. The Mini 5 Pro may introduce additional intelligent modes or fine-tune existing features. For instance, we could see more precise tracking with smoother transitions and camera movements. The Mini 4 Pro has limited 2 GB internal storage, which can fill up quickly when shooting in 4K. In contrast, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature 8 GB of internal storage, reducing the need for external memory cards on shorter flights. The upgrade allows for more recording space and likely supports microSD cards for longer flights. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could feature a new and enhanced version of DJI's O4 video transmission system. The O4 system transmits video up to 10 kilometers, but the Mini 5 Pro may extend this range. It's expected to offer more stable connections in urban areas with high interference. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to significantly impact the sub-250-gram drone market by offering professional features in a compact design. This innovation may inspire other manufacturers to enhance their affordable consumer drones. DJI's ability to blur the line between consumer and professional models could make the Mini 5 Pro an influential blueprint for future drones in this category. Additionally, we might see the inclusion of advanced auto-editing features that can help streamline the post-production process. For instance, the app could automatically create highlight reels or videos based on specific moments, which would be a useful tool for content creators and vloggers. The seamless integration of hardware and software will ensure that the Mini 5 Pro remains accessible and easy to use. DJI is expected to unveil the Mini 5 Pro in early 2025, with a release window likely in February or March. Pricing is speculated to be below $1,000, positioning the Mini 5 Pro as a premium option in DJI's Mini lineup. The Mini 5 Pro may face several challenges, primarily around regulatory compliance as drone technology advances. Ensuring adherence to evolving regulations will be a priority for DJI. Additionally, a rumoured premium price point may deter budget-conscious hobbyists and attract competitors. DJI must also ensure that the Mini 5 Pro remains user-friendly despite its advanced features to avoid overwhelming inexperienced pilots. Thanks for tuning in. But what's the real story behind these leaks? Are they credible insights or just hopeful speculations? Let's dive into the discussion.